Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help people with improving their communication skills and soft skills like speaking good English, writing emails, professional English, overall personality development, etc. to corporates and students. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently with my experience. So stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master the skill. Today I'm going to start with a practice session. This is more of a shadowing exercise or repeat after me exercise, whichever you are comfortable with. Right, so I'll go with my own pace, guys. I can't be slow, I can't pause a lot because it will be very boring for you to listen to. I'll try to be a little slow in my pace so that you can cope up with me. So you can either shadow with me, you can repeat after me, you can speak with me, okay, in this session. The topic is also very interesting. I'm going to talk about movies today. Okay, so probably I'll talk about which one is my favorite movie, what are the movies which I like and why do I like those movies. Okay, so I'm going to talk about that. What you can do is you can also pick up a movie of your choice and you can start speaking on your own, or you can just speak with me and repeat after me. Like you can follow shadowing. This is the best exercise to practice English speaking, guys. If you start doing it, it is really going to help you in your fluency, in your tone, intonation, rhythm, learning the language, pronouncing it well, understanding how the sentences are constructed and speaking the language. Okay, it will make you more confident and fluent in learning English and speaking in English. Try using this method and you will see a lot of difference in your speech. Now let's get started. So first, let's come to the vocabulary part. The first important thing is, what are the specific vocabulary related to movies? Right? What do we use? The first one is theater. We watch a movie in a theater or a multiplex. What is a multiplex? A multiplex is a place where there are multiple screens where you can go and watch the movie. Right? So multiplex is one. Or theater. Okay. The second thing is, you can talk about the genre of the movie. What is the category of the movie in layman's language? Like whether it is an action movie or a comedy movie or a romantic movie or an animated movie, or if it is a documentary or historical movie, or it's a drama or a horror movie or a thriller. And another word is rom-com, which is a romantic comedy. So that is also one word which is used to define the category of the movie. And another one is sci-fi, science fiction. So this is also a category of the movie. So when you talk about movie, you have to describe in what category that movie falls into. If you have watched a comedy movie, you can just describe, oh, I watched this comedy movie, so and so comedy movie. Or if it is a thriller, I watched this movie which was a thriller. So you have to talk about the genre of the movie. So this is how you can talk about the movie, the categories of the movie. Specify what kind of movie you watched. Okay, so this is another terminology. Another word is, we talk about the character. Like what character is played by whom? Okay, so there will be a hero, it's an actor, an actress, a villain, and lots of people will be there. So those are called character. Okay, which character is played by whom? Somebody is heroine's parents, mother and father. So that is this character, the father's character is played by this person, the mother's character is played by this person. So that is why each and every person who is playing the role is called a character. Which character, what person is playing. So character or a role. Next vocabulary is plot. What is the plot of the movie? Right. So plot is a sequence of events which make up the story. The plot of the story was based on World War II or World War I or anything else we can talk about. So this is how we talk about the plot of the movie. Cast. Now what is cast? People who are there in the movie, all the people. When you go to a theater to watch a movie, in the beginning you will see the whole cast name, cast and crew, the names of every person, right? That is called cast. Whoever has played the characters, that is the cast. Whoever has worked with the in that movie. So these are the specific vocabulary which are used to describe a movie. Okay, now let's move ahead and we can start describing a movie which I like the most. Okay, so I have a lot of favorite movies. I love watching movies. I love watching movies. I prefer going to a multiplex to watch a movie. And I prefer going to a multiplex to watch a movie. That is more fun for me. I enjoy watching a movie in a multiplex. I really enjoy watching a movie in a multiplex. I really enjoy watching a movie in a multiplex. I like watching all kinds of movies, from action to suspense to thriller to comedy to animated. All kind of movies I enjoy, which means I'm a movie buff. My all-time favorite movie is DDLJ. That is my all-time favorite. I can watch it anytime. Another movie which I love is Jab We Met. This is also a beautiful movie I really love watching. I like Kareena Kapoor's character the most. I appreciate her acting in that movie. Honestly. Another interesting movie which I like is Drishyam. I love that movie. Drishyam was a suspense movie. It was amazing. The way it was directed and the plot of the story was also brilliant. I appreciate everybody's effort and acting in that. I enjoyed that movie a lot. Another interesting movie I remember is A Wednesday. Yes, Nasiruddin Shah. He was brilliant in that movie. I was quite amazed watching this movie. I enjoyed that movie too. So these are some of the movies which I really enjoyed watching, and I can still watch these movies. But there are lots more. I'm a movie buff, as I told you earlier, so I enjoy watching movies. Apart from this, I like cartoon and animated movies as well. Whenever I want to relax, I watch cartoon movies or animated movies. Ice Age is something which I love watching. Anytime, any day, I can just switch on my TV and start watching this movie. So Ice Age is something which is my favorite. I love all the characters. I love listening to the voices also. And the animation is also pretty good. It's very appealing. In the frozen mountains, the ice and everything. It's really, it's a pleasure watching the animation. So I love those movies as well. I also watch Hollywood movies. There are lots of Hollywood movies which are my favorites. But one movie I want to mention is Titanic, which I think is everybody's favorite. Titanic was a movie which was excellent, which was mind-blowing. The plot, the characters, the direction, everything was amazing. I think the most important thing in a movie is its story or the plot of the story. And it has to be appealing. It has to have something which you should look forward to, right? And that is what attracts me. If the story is good, if the plot is interesting, and if it is directed in a right manner, I enjoy that kind of a movie. I will definitely enjoy that movie. So for me, story, plot, cast, and the direction matters. And I think watching movies is very relaxing. It really takes your stress out. It relaxes you. It re-energizes you. So I would suggest whenever you get time, if you want to relax, if you want to enjoy your day or enjoy that moment, you can start watching a movie. It will definitely relax you. It will definitely help you to be at peace, to get rid of all the stress. You can watch it at home. You can book your ticket and enjoy it at a theater nearby or a multiplex nearby as well. Choice is yours. So guys, I'm sure you're going to shadow with me or repeat after me or speak with me, or you can take my topic and you can start speaking on your own. Whatever you do, start practicing from today, right now, right away. This is something which is really going to help you in your speaking practice, in your fluency journey, in improving your communication skills. If you like my content, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. See you, bye-bye, and take care.